Tasty and easy food, Guard Halwa. Ingredients: Guard, white pumpkin, peeled, grated, green cardamom, sugar, cashews, ghee. Squeeze the grated Guard pulp to remove excess liquid, or alternatively, allow the pulp to sit in a sieve colander for some time until the juice runs out. Method: heat the ghee in a pan. Add cashews. Saute the cashews until golden brown. Remove the cashews with a slotted spoon and keep aside until needed. To the same ghee, add the grated Guard and saute for 3 or 4 minutes. Add the sugar and cardamom. Cook, stirring continuously until the halwa begins to leave the sides of the pan and becomes a homogeneous mass. Add the fried cashews and mix well. Cool and serve. The tasty Guard Halwa is ready to eat. Taste the Isha Yogic food at your home. Thanks for watching.